To download the glorious Model O software, start by searching for it on a search engine or browser. Go to the Glorious official website, ensuring the URL is correct, and click on it. On the website, you will see Glorious Core V1. But this is not the correct download for the Model O. Instead, scroll down until you see Model O and Model D wired. Then click on Model O wired software to initiate the download. Once the download is complete, locate the file in your Downloads folder. Right-click on it, and select Extract All. After extracting the file, open the newly created folder without a zipper icon, where you will find 3 documents, including a README file. Open the README document to access instructions on installing the firmware update, which must be done before running the Model O software. Follow the instructions provided in the README document to update the firmware. Then proceed to install the software. All necessary files and instructions are included in the README document, making it a straightforward process.